Hello students, I welcome you all again in your EVS class. Children, see this picture very carefully. Here in this picture you can find that these girls are playing, right? Which game they are playing, children? Yes, they are playing hockey. Now see the next picture. Here you can find that there is a basket and here it's a ball in that boy's hand. They are playing which game, children? Yes, basketball. Very good. Now see the next picture, children. Here you can find this game most of us have played during this lockdown. Either with grandmother, grandfather or mother or father we have played this game. Yes, this game name is Ludo. Right. Very good. Then children, see this picture. Which game it is going on? You can identify it. See very carefully. Here this girl is closing her eyes and she is standing beside the tree. And here this boy is hiding himself. Yes, they are playing hide and seek. Very good. Now children, tell me, what is common between these four pictures? What is the common thing? It's a game. Very good. Now you might have come to know that we are related something to games we are going to study today, right? Yes. We are going to start chapter number 16, games we play. Children, take out your textbook and get ready. Yes, children. I think you all are ready with your EVS textbook. Get ready with your EVS textbook, children. Take out chapter number 16, games we play. Yes, everyone will read after me. Chapter number 16, games we play. All the children were playing Stapu, hopscotch, in the lane. Lane, yes children, again the lane is new word for you. You are going to write it in your vocabulary copy. Lane means what means? What does it mean, children? Yes, the place in front of your house. See where they are playing, in front of their house. The passage or the empty place where they are playing means the passage which is there in front of their house is known as lane. Okay, where they are playing, children? In the lane. Avantika and her sister Nandita were also playing. Avantika and her sister Nandita were also playing. Here we can see two sisters are there. This is Avantika, this is Nandita. These two girls were playing. But Nandita was not able to play the game in the right way. She is small, she might have not understood the game's rules and regulation. That's why she was not able to play in the right way. Now Avantika is guiding to Nandita how to play. Let's listen to her. Avantika, listen to me carefully. Nandita, understand the game. Throw the marker Thippi in the first box. Where they have to throw the Thippi, children? She said that throw it in the first step. Okay. Then on one leg, jump over this box into the next one. That means she directly jumped from the empty place from here to where she jumped, children? She jumped directly from empty place to 2. She has not went to 1. She has skipped it and she went to 2. Then on one leg, jump over this box into the next one. Keep in mind, you can put both your feet down together only in the boxes marked 4, 5 and 7, 8. She can put her both legs only in a box where there are 2 numbers. Why, children? Here 2, see where you can find the first step. We can see there is only 1, then 2, then 3. Only one number is given in one particular box. But when she comes to the third, fourth box, there is 4 and 5. 2 boxes are there and there 2 numbers are there, right? Here she can put both her legs. Again in 6, she has to come in one leg, and 7 and again both legs she can land as per the rules. Keep in mind you can put both your feet down together only in the box marked 4, 5 and 7, 8. As there are two numbers at a time, she can put her both feet over there. Take care, your feet should not touch the lines. If her feet touch the lines, then what will happen? She will be out. If it touches, you are out. See the steps here also, children. You can see this is a Step-O game or hopscotch where one has to go for each and every step but in a systematic way. If first time you are putting, you will put in 1. We have to skip that 1 and go directly jump on the 2, then 3, then 4, 5. As two numbers are given, we have to keep both legs over here. Then 6 again in one leg, 7, 8 again in 2 leg, then 9 single leg, 10 single leg, then turn back and again in single leg she has to come till 9, then 7, 8 again she can put both legs. Understood? In this way she has to go. Wherever her leg touches the feet, there only she can, there itself, at that time itself she is out. Wherever her leg touches the line, she is out at that time. Okay. Now see the next, children, out of the game. When you reach the last box, turn around. When coming back, pick up the marker and bring it back. Now pick the marker and come back. Now throw the marker in the next box. Similarly, keep throwing the marker in all the boxes one by one and continue the game. One by one, he or she, whoever is playing, has to continue the game, but keep on giving the marker in the right place and pick it up as per the rule and then come back. But while coming or going, if line touches, then he or she is out. The children started playing again. Since long, Chachi was watching them play. She too felt like playing with them. By seeing them, Chachi also felt like playing with them. She could not keep herself from asking. She was so much interested to see and she was so much eager to say them that I also want to join. Can I play with you? The children laughed aloud. What happened? That Chachi, she said to the children that can I play with you? All the children started laughing. That such a big lady, she is asking, would be she able to play with us? Avantika, Chachi, you will play. She was like amazed. Oh, Chachi, you will play. Chachi, do you think I do not know how to play hopscotch? She said that, what are you thinking that I don't know to play this? At your age, we played so many different games. But she said that when I was of your age, I used to play ample of games, many games which you were not aware also. She used to say in that way that I used to play so many games. What you are thinking that I don't know hopscotch? Nandita, which game did you play, Chachi? What Nandita said that which game you were playing, Chachi? Which were those? What were those? Chachi, Langri Tang. Langri Tang is what kind of game? It's a type of hopscotch, means it has to be played in one leg. But the rule says others will be running and the person who is having opportunity to catch others have to run beside them by keeping one leg up. Langri is a Marathi, means Maharashtrian word that means that on one leg we have to jump or we have to move. Langri Tang. Tang is leg. In Marathi or in Maharashtra, Tang is said to the leg. Okay. Hide and seek. What is hide and seek, children? We have already seen Lukochuri, right? Then 7 tiles and so many more. She even used to play 7 tiles. Okay. Let's see, children, which games Chachi used to play. Chachi used to play Langri Tang. See this boy. This boy is having an opportunity to catch others. All others are running. See this boy, he is running beside them by keeping one leg up. You can see this, that one leg up, and that boy is running beside all the others, and all others are running in front of him. Right. Then the next game was Lukochuri. That is hide and seek. Right. See, one person will be standing near the door or near the tree by hiding his eyes, and all others are keeping themselves busy by running or by hiding themselves in front or in back of any of the thing. Okay, they have to hide themselves. Then the next game, 7 tiles. As per this rule, children, 7 tiles have to be kept one after the other. Here 2 teams will be playing. One team is going to have the ball and break these tiles, and the others, they are busy by that by keeping that ball in their hand to touch. With the help of that ball, they will touch the other opponent party. Okay, they will beat them. If they get touch with ball, then they are out. If they are not, and without getting out, they are keeping these tiles again in the form, in the way how it was, then they will gain the point. Okay, Chachi used to play 7 tiles, and even she was best in kabaddi. She used to play kabaddi in a best way. Okay, in kabaddi, children, 2 parties will be there, 2 teams will be there. One team is having 7 members. Each team will be having 7 members. Okay, they have to control their breath, and they have to say kabaddi, 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 and by that they have to cross the line and go to the opponent party. They have to try to catch someone and again come back to their own team. If by that time the opponent party touches or catches her, then she is not or he is not able to come on their party, then also that person is out and they are gaining, opponent party is gaining the point. Okay, Chachi was very good in playing kabaddi. Now children, see the next thing. Chachi used to play Langri Tang, hide and seek, 7 tiles and so many more. In kabaddi, our team was the best among 10 villages. What she said, that among the 10 villages, our team was the best. She was very good player. Rajat, that boy who was standing in front of them when they were playing game, you can recall. See the first picture you can see here. Here we can find that 2 sisters were playing. Here auntie was watching, and this boy is Rajat. Okay, what he said, let's listen to him, or what he said, let's see that. Rajat: Chachi, how did you get so much time? We hardly get any time to play. What he is saying, that how you used to get so much time? I hardly get any time. Chachi, you are so busy watching TV all the time. What she said, that whenever you are getting time, you are watching TV or you are playing with mobiles. Like you people are also doing this thing, which is not at all healthy for you, but still you people are doing. Here Chachi is saying that you people are so much busy in watching TV. Nandita: Chachi, did Chacha play this game too? Nandita is confused and she is again asking that even Chacha used to play this game. Chachi: your Chacha says that he used to play marbles, 7 tiles, wrestling, kabaddi, gilli danda and so many other games the whole day. While flying kites, he would even forget his meal. What she is saying, that Chacha was also even Chacha was also a good player, and he used to play so many games like me. And he was playing he used to fly kites in such a way that he used to skip his meal too. Which games Chacha used to play, children? Let's see. Chacha used to play marbles. See here, this boy is also playing marble. Then 7 tiles. Then bristling. Yes, bristling we are also seeing in our TV, right? WWF, we are always busy in seeing that. Yes. Then kabaddi, he was also a good kabaddi player. Even gilli danda. Gilli danda is a new one for you children. Here, one has to play with two sticks. One is very small one and the other one is a big one. See here, it's a small one and here you will find the big one. With the help of the big one, he or she has to beat that first small one in such a way that it goes to the or it reaches far away. By that it had been mentioned the distance, how much far it has gone. By according to that they are gaining the points. Okay. Nandita, Chachi, do come and play. Okay. Nandita what said? Chachi, you come and play with us. Chachi is her auntie and she is asking to auntie that auntie you come and play. Chachi started playing with the children. What happened? Chachi started playing with the children. They had been playing just for a short while when it started raining. What happened? They were started to play, but by that time it started raining. Okay children, now can you recall which were the games played by Chacha? Yes, everyone, one after the other. Marbles, very good. Then 7 tiles. Then next, yes, wrestling, very good. Then next children, kabaddi, yes. Even the last one, last not but the least, that is gilli danda. And even Chacha used to fly the kites, right? He used to enjoy doing that. And which games Chachi used to play? Yes children, Chachi used to play Langri Tang, very good. Then Lukuchuri, yes, ki bole Lukuchuri ke? Yes, hide and seek. Then next one, 7 tiles, very good. Then kabaddi, yes, very good, very good, very good. They used to play all these things, right? Yes children, today we have seen chapter number 16 where different types of games we have seen, right? Few were older, few were new, few things we have not yet played, like hopscotch you people have not played, right? Then gilli danda you have not played. These games were played by our uncle, aunt. Even in my small or in my childhood I have played, but now you people are not having that much time. Also you are busy in your studies. Whatever time you get, you people are playing in your mobile, and due to this corona we are again inside our home and we are playing all the inside houses game, like indoor games or video games or camera games or mobile games, right? Or if we are not getting anything, but yes, during lockdown we have played with ludo, chess, carom. These things we have done. As we were inside the house, we have played these indoor games, right? But you should play little bit inside your home or in your lane or in your balcony. You should play little bit exercised one also, like cricket. Now as it is winter season, you can play badminton. It will make you more healthier. It will make you more warmer also. Like in evening, if you feel more cold, if you are playing, you will feel a little bit warm, right? Here children, we have seen new games. Even in your vocabulary you will add 2 new words. Chachi is also a new word for you. Though you know this word, chachi is said to auntie, but as it is a Hindi word, it's a Hindi word. Chachi is said in Hindi, not in English, but in English we say aunt or auntie, right? You will add this, even lane. Okay children, exercise well. Even I will say you should play well for a short time, maybe for a half an hour or 40 minutes or 50 minutes, but you should play. You should play well. Today children, only this much till this. In our next video we will go for the next part. Okay, today you will revise till this. And also children, you will see what are the rules and regulations for these kinds of game. Okay, we have discussed few types of games today. Few more we will discuss in our next classes. Okay, today for today till this much. Stay blessed and healthy. Okay, listen to your parents and elders. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. I know as it is cold, as it is winter season already started, you don't feel to drink much water, but you have to drink. Your body needs water. You have to drink it. Lukewarm water you drink. Then as it is a winter season, you will get more fresh fruits and vegetables. Try to have it daily. One or the other, but try to have it daily. At least one fruit daily you should have. Okay? Take care of your health children. Stay blessed. Thank you.